Hello, and welcome to our latest edition of the next 3 days weather forecast. I'm Olubi Adedamola. The concern around this time of the year are usually poor air quality due to harmattan dusty conditions and low morning temperatures, which will give us shivers in the early hours of the day. But for the existing conditions around the country, we do not expect any much deterioration over the north of the country, as no significant dust plume is expected to be raised in the course of the day. But there could still be some poor visibility over the inland of the south and the coast of the south due to existing dust conditions that are made bearable due to low surface winds. For heads up, as far as Thursday's update is concerned, we expect dusty conditions to still persist over the entire north of the country in good visibility, as the case may be. But moderate dusty conditions are likely to prevail over the central cities to the south, with visibility which could drop to as low as 2,000 kilometers over some cities. We expect few clouds to be sighted over the coast of the southeast and that of the southwest, but this should lift and give us clear sky condition at the end of the day. Temperatures are likely to range between 27 to 30 degrees Celsius over the north of the country. The northwest is, however, likely to report temperature of about 29 degrees Celsius over part of Guzo, Sokoto, and Kebbi. As we move into the central cities, we expect temperatures as high as 30 degrees Celsius over parts of Kaduna, 27 degrees Celsius over Jos, while Bauchi will have temperature rise as high as 29 degrees Celsius. Over the south, we expect temperature to range between 34 in the southeast coast areas to about 36 degrees Celsius over the inland of the southwest in cities like Ondo, Osogbo, and Ibadan. As we move into Friday, we still expect dusty conditions over the north of the country in good visibility. We expect the south to have hazy conditions, in dusty conditions as well, with few clouds expected to be sighted in the early hours of the day over part of the coast of Port Harcourt, Eket, and Calabar. The Lagos environment could also see some few clouds in the early hours of the day, which will lift and give clear sky conditions as the day evolves. We expect temperatures to range between 27 to 31 degrees Celsius over the north of the country, with Kano reporting temperature as high as 27 degrees Celsius. We expect the central cities of Kaduna, part of Abuja, to have temperature rise to about 35 degrees Celsius, while Jos will have chilly weather conditions of temperature as high as 26 degrees Celsius. We expect the coastal areas of Port Harcourt and Calabar to have temperature around 33 degrees Celsius, while part of Lagos will have temperature rise to about 35 degrees Celsius. We look forward to seeing Saturday start with thick dust days over most northern cities of the country. This is likely to drop visibility to below 1,000 meters in most cities in the north, and this would affect airline operations over most of the airports that are located in these regions. We expect better visibility conditions as we move towards the south and the inland areas of the south as well, and a few areas around the central cities will also have dusty conditions in improved visibility conditions that should be higher than 2,000 meters in most cities. We expect temperatures to drop a bit over the north to about 27 degrees Celsius over parts of Kano and part of Katsina, while part of the northwest will have temperature as high as 32 degrees Celsius over part of Sokoto and Kebbi. Around the central cities, we expect Kaduna to have temperature rise to about 29 degrees Celsius, while Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, will have temperature rise to about 36 degrees Celsius. Over the coast and the south inland, we expect temperature to range between 33 to 35 degrees Celsius over a few cities like Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, parts of Warri, and Lagos, which are likely to have temperature as high as 36 degrees Celsius in the course of the day. And that's where we'll leave you for this edition of the 3 days weather forecast from Nigeria Meteorological Agency. Do stay tuned with us and watch out for our next edition, which is likely to come up in the next 3 days. I'm Olubi Adedamola, and thank you for watching.